Hello friends, this is Alejandra Gomez and here I am showcasing another quick and easy card using the Signs of Santa stamp set. Well, actually it's the suite, not just the set. And like I said in a previous video, I love these images because you can color them really easy with the stamping blends. And I'll show you here one. You can see it here. All the images are great. I'm actually going to be having a class around this stamp set shortly, so be sure to be checking my website because I'll be having a class all around this suite because I just in love with it. Now this stamp set comes or you can purchase it with as a bundle, and it will have these coordinating framelits, the Santa Signs Post framelits. And what is great about it is that we have a design series paper called, let me just show you here, Santa's Workshop Specialty Series paper. So let me just show you the paper here. I have it already pulled out because I am having so much fun with it. But you have it, this one, and what is really cool about it is that there is flock on the pages. These two pages doesn't have anything, but these are great to do your backgrounds and whatnot. This one has the flock. This one the same. All the little hats has flock, and then the same with this one. The white areas on some of the designs have the flock in it, so it is gorgeous. But the best thing about this design series paper, and why I would encourage you to really get the bundle, is that you can die cut these little guys with the framelits. So in this case, you can get the Mrs. Claus, the two elves, the post, and the gifts, and the little wagon, like I did here. So you can see it. You can see it here. You can die cut pretty much everything on here. And somewhere that I know I have the gifts. So you can die cut all of them. So no fussy cutting. And on this page, you can die cut these two guys, the two elves, as well as the Santa Claus, like I did on a previous card that I show already here. See? So amazing, sweet, coordinating everything here. So definitely make sure to have the framelits for this. You can make quick and easy cards in no time. Now, for my card today, I'm actually using, I die cut these with the layer, with the stitch shapes framelits, and I use the oval. And so you can tell, you can get a lot of these from here, okay? And you might want to use a circle instead of a oval, but you can also die cut this paper that way. So like I said, it's an amazing set, and a suite, I should say. And so here we go. So let's just do our card. Like I said, it's good. You know me by now. I do quick and easy cards, and this is for sure one of my favorites suites that you're gonna be seeing me using a lot, just because I am in love with all the different images. So I have here design series paper, as you can see. This one, let me just go over measurements, and of course, every single time I do this, I lose something. This is no exception, as you can see. So I have here a strip that is 1 inch, and this one is 5, but honestly, doesn't matter because I'm gonna be moving it. Then I have a strip that I think this one is 3/4, yes, 3/4 of an inch. And then another strip that is 1/2 inch, okay? And then I had already die cut this, I think they look like a snowflakes, as well as 3 of the little ones. So I got 1 of the larger ones, 1 of the medium, and 3 of the small ones. But I die cut it in the glimmer paper. You can see that, it's the translucent glimmer paper. I have to check what the color is. I don't remember right now on top of my head, but it's the white one. So anyway, let's just get it started. My cardstock is garden green, and as usual, oh, and I have a strip here that is 3/4 of an inch, It doesn't matter because I'm gonna be the length because I'm gonna be doing this little one that says a joyful Christmas. So it doesn't matter how long it is, as long as you can fit this. But you can see here I have like a, I want to say that it is like 3 inches, but you're gonna see that it's less than 3 inches, like 2.5. But you're gonna see I'm not gonna use the whole thing. So so this one is 5.5 by 8.5, and as usual we're gonna fold it in half. Use your bone folder to have a nice crisp fold on your card. Then we're gonna go ahead and, well, here, let me show you another thing that we have. We have these texture width ribbon in Poppy Parade, I believe. Yes, Poppy Parade. And if you know the Tropical Chic suite, it is the same type of ribbon. So obviously this is one of the favorites as well. Really nice. So we're gonna go and lay down some of this ribbon here. So we're gonna use glue dots. I love using glue dots for the ribbon, you know. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna be putting it like so. And whatever is left on this side, we're just gonna trim it. There we go. Really nice, huh? Then I'm gonna be using this garden green. Let me just do this here. All right. And then I'm going to be using this. And we're going to just be putting it like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and use this one. And this one has that flock. I don't know if you can see it, but the white section has the flock. Actually, I'm just gonna put it like so, a little bit smaller. And then any excess, we're gonna trim it from the back. There we go. Put this one on a trash can. Now for this, I'm gonna go ahead and put it like so. I think it will go really nice putting it here. Let's just stamp here real quick with garden green. Let me just bring garden green. I wanna do tone on tone. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, and I think I did a cricket, so. Let me just see that. Can you see it here? There we go. Much better. And I think I'm going to be taking it like that, and I'm going to be doing a little banner out of these. And let's just see, where would I put it? I think it would be nice to put it here. Don't you think? Yeah, so let's just go ahead and start gluing this. So for this one, I want to use I'm actually going to be using, let me think. No, I think I'm going to use this. I think it will be nice to have these raised. And you know me, I love using dimensional, so I use a lot of them. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and put this one here. And now we're going to be adding this here. So I need a... Oh, I like it here. So I'm going to be putting a dimensional right here. Oh. Oh, it's actually this side. Is that not funny? Okay. Yeah, so let's put a dimensional right here at the end. Oh, got two. There we go. Yes. Perfect. That way I have a little bit of that. And let's just add this with the glue dots. Okay. Now, if you see, I'm seeing this section and I don't want to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that. And this is why I've got one of the large what is this called? Snowflakes. You can still see a little bit of those. So I'm going to use now the medium one and cover it. That way I won't see as much or almost anything. There we go. And then we're going to be putting these little guys all over the card to embellish it. Here's another one. I'll put another one around here. Let me see. Ooh, maybe here. And let me just think about it while I'm doing that. And the other thing I'm going to be adding is a little, this suite has as well some twine. So this one is the Garden Green Baker's Twine. And so we're going to be doing, maybe we'll do a double bow. How about that? Let's just do a double bow. Let's see how does this one look. This one is a little bit thicker than our twine, other twine, but it still looks amazing, you know? Ooh, I love it. So let's just cut a little bit here and here. And we're going to be adding it here. Oh yes, I love that. So let's just glue that one as well with the glue dots. And I'm going to be adding two. Actually, let's just put a third one. Just because it's thicker. And I'm going to make sure I cover everything here. There we go. So then, yes, I have something there, so I can put this one like so here. Maybe that one would have been better here, or have this one here. No, I think I like it there. Yes, I like it there. So let's just put another glue dot here. And here we go. Is that not gorgeous? Like I said, really quick and easy card. And like I said, I love all the different elements that this suite has. I'm sure you're gonna see me doing lots of these cards for this suite because it's just fantastic. What do you think, huh? And like I said, there's flock in this hat. There's flock also on the on this section, like those snowflakes. And I love how it looks with this little snowflakes here. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I do have an ordering special, so anytime you place an order with me using the hostess code, and you can get the hostess code on my blog, creatingwithali.com, you get a card kit in the mail to do 4 cards. This is a monthly incentive, so usually the card kit will come on the following month, but it will have everything for you to do the cards, the cardstock, the embellishments, everything, as well as instructions. If you don't have the stamp set, the particular stamp set that I am using, you can always substitute with whatever you have on hand, or even better, you can order it next month and get the following month card kit as well. So also, if your order is $50 or more, you get the accessory of the month, which could be the twine or some of these little new gadgets that I didn't show today. So this is the Santa's Workshop Enamel Shapes. It could be these. So I don't know. Every single time I change it. So anyway, if you have any questions, do leave me a comment. I always love to read about you. And like I said, this is a great suite to do tons and tons of projects and really quick and easy cards. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.